Lord, I'm a poor pilgrim of sorrow. I'm down in the world, I'm all alone. I have no hope for tomorrow. I'm just trying to make heaven my home. And Lord, sometimes I'm burdened. I feel I'm all by myself. But as long as my Lord is with me, I don't need no one else. And Lord, whenever I get tired, I can call on the Lord late at night, and I know